Wop.
Ladies and gentlemen, Saturday, UFC 261. Sounds like a perfect opportunity for you and me to catch a fucking bag real quick. You guys know the drill. Myself, my bookie, partnering up yet again. They got some crazy offerings this week. As usual, they'll match you halfway through your first deposit up to $1,000, I believe. You throw $1,000 in, you get a free $500 to bet with. Guys, this is fucking bananas. Masvidal, they're giving you guys special odds on this fight. Usman Masvidal, I do have Usman winning the fight, but they're giving you 3-1 on Masvidal. So you bet $500, you win $1,500. It's hard to pass that up. It's honestly fucking insane they're doing that. I got a couple other picks in my next slide. I'll give you those. We're picking 3 fights this week. I think I'm going to put my money on Masvidal just because those odds are too sweet and he's